बड़ी स्टैंडर्ड 8th है, सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस, चैप्टर 2 है व्हाट इज़ अराउंड अस। हमारे आसपास क्या है उसके बारे में ये चैप्टर है जो आज आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन, पहले भी एक्सप्लेन हो चुका है, ये रिविजन चैप्टर है आपका। चैप्टर 2 है दिस यूनिट introduce environment. Man has tried to go thousands of kilometers to know about the elements of nature. He has collected information about the earth by going deep into space. But he has gone hardly 10 kilometers into the earth. After a lot of efforts, he has been able to get only the following information. There are 3 spheres of the earth: troposphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Owing to their combined effect, the fourth one also has been developed, that is biosphere, according to the information collected by man. Out of the 9 planets of the solar system, life is possible only on the earth. No trace of life is found on other planets, but for his personal motives, man has not resisted himself to acquire more and more infrastructure. As a result, there have been holes in those coverings. Man has harmed nature a lot. There have been adverse effects on coverings because of human activities. This unit present a serious problem of pollution. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आपके आएंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर जो करवा देती हूँ, जो आपको करने हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट शुड हैपन इफ देयर वर नो सीज। तो आंसर, सीज आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रिक्वायर्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर टू लिव. द बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ दिस वाटर टू सीज. Precious chemicals, minerals, salt and fish are found from seas. A good deal of living creatures live in seas. Owing to great amount of energy from the waves of seas, from the currents of water, and from the floods, a lot of electric energy can be available. Seas are also useful for waterways. Had there not been seas, we would not have got all these advantages. Next, question number 2 है, on the basis of which experience can you state that the atmosphere exists on the surface of the earth. तो इसका आंसर आएगा, with my following experience I can say that there is atmosphere around the earth. Number 1, we breathe in oxygen. Oxygen is inevitable for the entire bio world. Number 2, green vegetation breathes in carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Number 3, the life of living entities on the earth owes to oxygen and nitrogen. Number 4, the particles in the atmosphere reflect the rays of light, therefore we can have sunlight. Owing to these particles, there is no sudden light on the earth at sunrise, nor is there sudden darkness at sunset. Number 5, owing to the medium of atmosphere, we can hear sound, we can enjoy programs of radio and television because of the atmosphere. Question 3, if any element in the living world is destroyed, then what will be its effect on our lives? For instance, what happens if the birds are wiped out from the face of the earth? आंसर आएगा, around us in water, in atmosphere and on land there is bio world. Out of them some living species, that is birds, get extinct. It has major effect on our life. Birds like vulture, crows, etc. work for cleanliness. If they become destroyed, dead animals cannot be abolished. Flying insects like butterflies carry pollen from flowers and other tiny seeds from one place to another. It may not be possible if the birds wipe out from the face of the earth. Then we cannot enjoy watching beautiful birds. There would also be a hurdle in the food chain of the living. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका 1. Locate using various colors the oceans, seas, bays and straits in the world map given above. ये आपको इस वर्ल्ड मैप में देखो ओशन एंड सीज तो क्या आएगा पैसिफिक ओशन, एटलांटिक ओशन, ब्लैक सी, येलो सी, कैस्पियन सी, अरेबियन सी, आरल सी, ओखोत्स्का सी, बियरिंग सी, जावा सी, साउदर्न चाइनीज सी, जापानीज सी एंड 13 इंडियन ओशियन बेस, बे ऑफ बंगाल टू बे ऑफ हडसन स्ट्रेट्स, पाल्क स्ट्रेट, Gibraltar Strait and Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Cabo, Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Mannar and Gulf of Eden. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फुल कलर्स आपको इसमें द अबव मेंशन डिटेल्स और डिटेल्स बतानी है इसकी आपको. Question 2. Make a list natural events and human activities that have adversely affected various spheres of the earth. Answer आएगा natural events affecting adversely various spheres of the earth. Number 1. With the eruption of volcano, harmful sulfur dioxide spreads in the atmosphere. The lava erupting from the inner part of the earth extends fire in forest areas. And the fertility of the soil in the land comes to end. Next, number 2 point है earthquake transforms the entire surface of the earth. Earthquake in sea causes great havoc in the areas on the shores. Example है disaster in Tamil Nadu in 2011. Next, human activities affecting adversely various spheres of the earth. Number 1 आएगा the troposphere of the earth is risked by extreme digging for getting minerals, atomic test on land, deep boring work for mineral oil and abuse ban. Next, number 2 है water bodies get polluted by impurities drained into them and by disposal of industrial waste in them. Marine life gets eliminated by the waste oil drained out from ships and by draining dirty chemically polluted water from industrial colonies owing to continuous industrial pollutions. The snow on the poles has started melting, which is dangerous for hydrosphere. Next, number 3 point. The polluted air exhaled from industries, factories, power stations and vehicles mixes into the atmosphere owing to more number of vehicles in certain areas. Amount of gases like carbon dioxide increases felling of trees also results into the increase of carbon dioxide in the air and that causes terrible heat. ये आपका क्या हो गया मैंने चैप्टर आपको एक्सप्लेन करवा दिया इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर थे वो करवा दिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको इसके जो डिटेल में क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो करवाऊंगी और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है ट्रू फॉल्स है वो करवा दूँगी. ये आपका रिवीजन चैप्टर है ठीक है. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है. थैंक यू.